Welcome to our AI-assisted web development guide for beginners. Are you new to web development? Follow along as we use AI to transform this simple local web page into a mobile responsive, SEO-optimized portfolio website like this, having all these sections. We'll also learn how to add a sleek dark mode and stunning glass morphism effects, and how to make a beautiful contact section like this. We'll also learn how to deploy it online to a live domain and web hosting. Let's get started. Introduction. What if you could build websites faster, even as a beginner, for free? This guide shows you exactly how, using AI as your coding partner. Let's get into it. AI tools. AI-assisted web development means using AI tools to help you write code, fix bugs, and build projects, without manual coding or needing to know everything up front. In AI-assisted web development, you're not replacing your skills, you're speeding them up. Think of AI as a senior developer available 24/7, who never judges your questions. It can respond to every question you ask, anytime you want. AI makes mistakes. AI can write broken or outdated code. Your job is to understand what it produces, not just copy and paste it blindly. AI models nowadays have improved a lot, but there are still chances of mistakes in coding. Types of AI tools. AI chat assistants. You describe what you need, and they write code or explain concepts. For example, Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. You can interact with these using a chat-like interface. AI code copilots. These live inside your editor and suggest code as you type. For example, Codium and GitHub Copilot. You can interact with these using an interface inside code editors like VS Code. AI website builders. These generate full sites from a prompt. They offer less control and less learning. Examples include Framer AI and Wix AI. These tools use a chat-like interface and also handle your website's hosting, files, database, and other technical setup, so you don't need to manage them yourself. They usually cost more than AI chat assistants, especially over time, and make you dependent on their platform for hosting and managing your website. In this guide, we are going to use an AI chat assistant to develop a complete one-page website from scratch. Comparison of top AI chat assistants. Here, we are comparing 3 top AI chat assistants: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. All of them offer a free plan, which is enough for small to medium projects, like the one we are going to develop in this guide. In terms of coding ability and explanation, ChatGPT and Claude take the lead. Personally, in our experience, we have found Claude better than ChatGPT or Gemini for handling projects with many files. A context window is the amount of information an AI can remember and use in one conversation. A larger context window helps it understand longer documents, more code files, and long chats at the same time. In this case, Gemini takes the lead. Claude is also efficient, but ChatGPT can sometimes forget older messages in long conversations. That is definitely not ideal for large, serious projects. In short, ChatGPT is best for everyday coding and working with many different tools. Claude is useful for longer projects and clear explanations. Gemini is a good choice for Google or Firebase projects and large documents. In this guide, we will build a complete one-page website from scratch. It will include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other files. We will use Claude AI because it handles multiple files well and has a large context window. What's coming? You'll learn how to set up your website's folders and files, how to set up your AI coding environment, including your Claude account and chat, and how to create a complete website from scratch. Watch the next video in this guide using the link in the description or the video card in the bottom right corner of the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.